Hello everyone, welcome to Sada Studio where the stories come to life. Today I'm showing you how I created a video that keeps viewers hooked from the very first frame to the last. It's an animated thriller called Island Fortress, Pixar style set in the K-pop Demon Hunters universe. If you also want to create viral animated stories, stick around. We are breaking it all down: characters, plot, editing, and the key trick that make it work. Let's go. First, let's talk about why I chose these specific characters. At the center of the story is a Huntrix group: Rumi, Mira, and Zoe. Strong, recognizable heroines with bold looks, a purple braid, crimson ponytails, and dark buns. Each one is identifiable in half a second, and that's critical for viewer retention. On the other side, four guys: Jinu, Abby, Baby, and Mystery. And here's a key move: I didn't make them classic villains. Jinu and Abby burst into the studio in masks and kidnap the girls, but in reality, they are saving them. That's the first twist that breaks the viewers' expectations. The real villain is Romance, the guy with pink hair and the yellow shirt. The sweetest looking one is the most dangerous. This works because viewers never suspect the one who looks harmless. And Zoe turns out to be a first accomplice. She was being blackmailed. That's the second twist, and it adds emotional depth. Now, the structure. I split the story into three acts, and each one rides on a strong hook. Act 1: The kidnapping starts in the very first frame. No build up, nor warm up. A gloved hand grabs Rumi by the shoulder, and the viewer is already in the story. The Act 1 climax: the kidnappers take off their masks, and they're the good guys. Act 2: Defining the fortress. I deliberately used medieval weapons: swords, shells, and spears, instead of generic first fights. This is visually fresh and makes the video stand out from thousands of similar ones. Then comes the traitor reveal, Romance, and the act ends with a shock. The one who ordered the kidnapping is Zoe herself. Act 3: I dropped the fight scenes completely. Instead of combat, wit, and humor, the heroes hijack the live broadcast and expose Romance on air. Romance slips on spilled paint and falls into a pile of pillows. This releases the tension and lets the viewer breathe before the final hook. And right in the end, a teaser for the next episode: a mysterious female mastermind who picks Mira as her next target. Now, the most important part: how I put it all together. Trick number 1: only middle and close up shots. No wide shots. Faces fill the frame, emotions read instantly. The viewer stays locked in. Trick number 2: one action per frame. I never tried to cram everything in at once. One frame, one minute. This keeps the pacing tight and makes the story easy to follow. Trick number 3: hooks every 10 to 50 frames. A twist, a shock, a question. The viewer never has time to get bored. Something new always pops up. Trick number 4: the thumbnail. I designed it in a true crime investigation style. The mask in a red circle, an arrow pointing to Jinu's face with a question mark. This plants the mystery directly in the thumbnail. Viewers see the question and can't resist clicking. If this breakdown helped you, drop the like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe to Sada Studio. I am breaking down every video. I make piece by piece: plot, characters, prompts, and editing. We are learning how to make viral animated stories together. This was Saja Studio. See you in the next story.